Today, we'll be taking a look at the door hinge on this Whirlpool top freezer refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Now, the main reason why you'd be replacing your door hinge is if it is bent, causing it to not open or close properly. To remove your door hinge, it's actually pretty simple. You're going to need a 5/16, and then we are going to use your drill to start to remove the screws. Now, it's very important that when we remove the last one, you hold on to the door. We will slide up on the hinge and set it to the side. When installing a new hinge, first we are going to put the pin inside the actual door on the top. And what I want you to do is start to move these around and put them in by hand first. Sometimes you have to maneuver the hinge in order to get it right in the perfect spot. Let's tighten the other two up. Make sure the door opens and closes, and that will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.